All right, today is Monday, October 18th, 2021. It's kind of an interesting day in the market. I kind of beat myself up a little bit and, kind of taking a step back and looking at how the morning played out. I think it should have been a little different of a day. It's about a break-even day for me. So first trade I took was this short right here. I waited for 2 minute confirmation, which when I looked back, um, it looked like I may have gotten it on this bar. But in real time, for whatever reason, 2 minute confirmation didn't come in until here. So I was short around 55. And on this one with 3 minute printing right here, I ended up just putting my stop loss a couple points above this qualifying bar, and obviously I was stopped out. Um, but kind of taking a deeper dive into that trade and why I did that. Um, I was thinking back and wondering, should I have skipped that trade? But it was in the side in the direction of 3 minute and 2 minute um, resistance. The ES S&P, it was in full agreement. I mean, the charts look very similar. And so this was in when I was getting in right here, ES was printing the same signal. So taking that into consideration, I decided to go for it, and doesn't always work out, and that was just unfortunate to start the day with the loss. Jumped in long right here, and actually worked out perfectly because this big blue bar, which was the 1 minute buy signal, was just in line with the full confirmation of the 3 minute. So went long here, had my stop below this bar right here. Let this play out, and unfortunately, I utilized the two green bar exit, had my stop 2 points below this, and was stopped out around 22.50. Obviously, when you zoom out, reflect, I would have held on a little bit longer. Could have maximized profit a little more. It went all the way up to a high of about 60, and I was out at 22.50. So missed out a little bit on the trend there. I then actually, and kind of looking back, I was wondering if I should have done this or not. I think maybe getting out of the trade too soon with the two green bar exit caused me to be a little trigger happy, and I went long here on this bar. This was only a point and a half away from support, so I went long here and had a pretty tight stop. Stop was right here at 36, and got stopped out in the next bar pretty much immediately. So I let the rest of this play out, and then went long again here. And this was another good trade. I think I made about, let's see, I was long here in the 56 range. Another two green bar exit. It's about 20 points. So it was a good trade. I skipped out on this sweet spot. That was a valid sweet spot trade, but I think after losing on the previous sweet spot, I decided to forgo that trade. So kind of looking back, and I zoom out, it's a pretty good trending day to the upside. Not a massive trending day, but kind of a slow trudge upward, and taking that decent loss early on. I mean, that first loss was around in 55 range. It was almost 30 points. So that's a good size loss to kick the day off with, and didn't feel great. A lot of points to make up from that point. And so I think that was the big issue of the day, despite having a couple good trends here and then there, which kind of resulted in a very small profit for the day. And that was my trading for this morning on Monday, October 18th, 2021, and that'll do it.